Emotionally authentic, curiosity-driving. Some habits change your life in loud, dramatic ways. But most of the ones that changed mine were silent, small, easy to overlook. Until one day, I realized I wasn't the same anymore. Here's 20 of those tiny habits. Maybe they'll quietly rebuild you, too. 1. Wake up 30 minutes earlier. Not 5 a.m., just a quiet head start. The world feels slower. Your thoughts feel louder. 2. Read 10 pages a day. Every page is someone's lifetime compressed into a moment. The more you read, the clearer you think. 3. The 2-minute rule. If it takes under 2 minutes, do it now. It's how I stopped being owned by procrastination. 4. Plan tomorrow, tonight. You rest better when your mind isn't racing. Clarity is a gift you give your future self. 5. Say no more. Your peace depends on your boundaries. Protect them like your life depends on it, because it does. 6. Cut one distraction a week. Notifications, toxic apps, one less noise, more presence. 7. Smile, even when it's forced. It's a small rebellion against chaos, a quiet message. I'm still here, still fighting. 8. Use timers to work. Focus sprints. 25 on, 5 off. Train your brain like an athlete. 9. One sentence of gratitude daily. Not to be cheesy, but to remember not everything is falling apart. 10. Compliment one person a day. Kindness makes you magnetic. Energy multiplies when you give it away. 11. Avoid screens 30 minutes before bed. It feels pointless until you finally sleep like a human again. 12. Stretch for 2 minutes every hour. Your body wasn't built to sit and scroll. Treat it like it matters. 13. Declutter one thing daily. Physical clutter is mental noise. Clear space equals clear head. 14. Meditate for 5 minutes. Not for zen, for control. Over your emotions, your thoughts, your spiral. 15. Reflect on one win every night. Even if it's, I got out of bed. That's enough. That's momentum. 16. Write down your biggest goal daily. Let your brain know what you're chasing. It'll chase it with you. 17. Unfollow one negative influence weekly. People, pages, voices. If it drains you, it doesn't deserve your attention. 18. Speak to yourself kindly in the mirror. Feels dumb, but your inner critic is always listening. Be louder. 19. Celebrate progress, not perfection. Show up. Messy. Incomplete. 1% better still counts. 20. Set 3 micro goals every morning. Wake, move, breathe. Small wins are how you survive the heavy days. You don't need a life overhaul. You need better daily habits. Stack them, protect them, and you'll look back someday wondering how you ever lived without them.